In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used when you interacted with the form. Using the correct account matters because Google ties your access and history to that login. Once Drive loads, you're in the right place to reach all Google apps connected to your account. Next, look toward the top right corner for the Google Apps grid, the small icon made up of dots. Click that to open the app launcher. From here, choose Forms. This takes you straight to the Google Forms homepage, which lists forms you've created or recently opened under your account. If you don't immediately see the form you're looking for, try the search bar at the top of the page or sort by recent activity. Also, double check you're in the right Google account if something seems missing. On the Forms page, select the form you want to review. Opening it will show the form editor if you have permission to edit. A quick note on access: the next part only works if you are the owner of the form or you've been granted edit access. Respondents who do not have edit access won't be able to see the responses area. If that's you, you may need to rely on the confirmation email you received at submission time, or ask the form owner to share a copy of your response. If you do have access, look along the top of the form editor for the Responses tab and click it. This is where Google Forms organizes all submissions. You'll typically see a summary view with charts and counts, as well as an option to view individual responses one by one. The summary helps you understand patterns, while the individual view lets you check exact answers that were submitted. If you're verifying a specific submission, the individual view is usually the fastest way to confirm details. As you review, remember that what you can see depends on permissions and how the form was configured by its owner. If you don't see responses, you might not have the required access, or the form may not have collected submissions yet. In those cases, contact the owner for help or confirm you're signed in to the correct account. That's it. By going to Google Drive, opening the app launcher, choosing Forms, selecting your form, and clicking the Responses tab, you can quickly review submissions and confirm what was sent.